St. Patrick's Day is a time for celebration. It's a day when the streets come alive with vibrant parades and everyone dons their best green attire to honor Irish heritage and culture. We gather with friends and family, sharing laughter and stories, and toasting to good health and happiness. It's a time to reconnect and create lasting memories. We enjoy lively music and good cheer, with traditional Irish tunes filling the air and people dancing joyfully at local pubs. The spirit of camaraderie is truly infectious. And of course, no St. Patrick's Day is complete without delicious food. The table is often laden with a feast of hearty Irish dishes that bring comfort and joy. This year, bring the taste of Ireland to your table with a classic dish, Irish sausages and champ. This traditional meal is a favorite for its rich flavors and satisfying textures. It's a hearty and flavorful meal that's sure to warm your heart and soul. The combination of savory sausages and creamy mashed potatoes is simply irresistible. This dish is a staple in Irish pubs and homes alike. Whether you're at a bustling pub or in the comfort of your own kitchen, it brings a taste of Ireland to any setting. It's a true celebration of simple, quality ingredients. Fresh, locally sourced produce and meats come together to create a meal that's both wholesome and delicious. Let me share my family recipe with you. Passed down through generations, this recipe holds a special place in our hearts and is a testament to the enduring love of good food. It's easy to follow and guaranteed to impress. With step-by-step instructions, you'll find it simple to recreate this beloved dish in your own kitchen. So, gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. Together, we'll make a meal that's perfect for celebrating St. Patrick's Day and honoring the rich culinary traditions of Ireland. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about the star of the show, the Irish sausage, affectionately known as bangers. Now don't be fooled by the name. These sausages are bursting with flavor, not explosives. The term bangers actually originated in Britain during World War II. Meat was scarce and sausages were often filled with water to stretch the rations. This made them prone to bursting when cooked. Irish sausages, however, have a distinct character. They often contain a secret ingredient, rusk. This breadcrumb-like addition gives them a unique texture and a satisfyingly meaty bite. Let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Today we're diving into a traditional Irish feast that will warm your heart and soul. This recipe is all about simple steps and maximum flavor. With fresh ingredients and a bit of love, you'll create a meal that's both comforting and delicious. First, peel and quarter 4 large potatoes. These will form the base of our creamy, dreamy mashed potatoes. Place them in a large pot and cover with cold salted water. The salt will help season the potatoes as they cook. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until tender. You want them to be soft enough to mash easily. While the potatoes are cooking, prepare the champ. This is a traditional Irish side dish that adds a burst of flavor to our meal. In a small saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over low heat. The butter will add richness to our champ. Add 4 chopped scallions and cook gently for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Set aside. The scallions will infuse the butter with their delicate flavor. Now let's cook those sausages. These are the star of our feast, bringing hearty, savory goodness to the table. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. The oil should be hot enough to sizzle when the sausages hit the pan. Add 8 Irish sausages and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until golden brown and cooked through. The sausages should be crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, perfect for our Irish feast. Section 4. A Symphony of Flavors. This section is all about creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures that will delight your palate. With the sausages sizzling away, let's build our gravy. The rich aroma of the sausages will soon be complemented by a luscious, savory gravy. Remove the sausages from the pan and set them aside. This will allow us to use the flavorful drippings left behind to create our gravy. Add 1 sliced onion to the pan and cook over medium heat until softened and caramelized. The onions will add a sweet and rich depth to our gravy. Pour in half a cup of beer and 1 cup of beef stock. The beer adds a unique, slightly bitter note, while the beef stock brings a hearty, robust flavor. Bring to a simmer and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the gravy has thickened slightly. This will ensure a perfect consistency. Now, for the champ. Drain the potatoes and return them to the pot. These potatoes will form the base of our creamy, comforting champ. Add the butter and scallion mixture along with half a cup of warm milk. The butter will add richness, while the scallions provide a fresh green note. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This simple seasoning will enhance the natural flavors of the potatoes. Mash everything together until smooth and creamy. The result is a velvety, flavorful champ that pairs perfectly with our sausages and gravy. Section 5. Sláinte. To serve, spoon a generous portion of champ onto each plate. Top with the cooked sausages and drizzle with the rich onion gravy. Garnish with a sprinkle of chopped parsley for a touch of green. There you have it, a taste of Ireland that will transport you straight to a cozy pub on St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy the rich history, the hearty flavors, and the company of loved ones. Sláinte.